In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram DM not working on iPhone. If you're experiencing issue with Instagram DMs on your iPhone, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. The first thing that you can do is to check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. If your messages are being sent but not received, it could be due to spotty connectivity. The second thing that you can do is to check if Instagram is down. Sometimes Instagram experience server outages or mix-ups which can affect DM functionality. Visit a website like Down Sector to check if Instagram is currently down. The third thing that you can do is to force close and reopen the Instagram app. Close the Instagram app completely and then reopen it. This can help resolve minor glitches or issues within the app. The fourth thing that you can do is to clear Instagram cache on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings, go to general, go to iPhone Story, find the Instagram app and tap on it. Tap the offload app to clear temporary cache, then reinstall the app. The fifth thing that you can do is to update Instagram for iOS. Ensure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. Outdated app versions may have bugs that have already been fixed in newer updates. The sixth thing that you can do is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve app-related issues. And the seventh thing that you can do is to sign out and back into your Instagram account. Sign out of your Instagram account within the app, then sign back in. This can refresh your session and potentially fix any login related issues. And the last thing that you can do is to contact Instagram support. If none of the above steps work, consider reaching out to Instagram support for further assistance. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.